Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. This is Rajat Gupta. So it took me some time, but I'm back. And in my today's video, I'm gonna unbox the Zhiyun Smooth Q 3-axis stabilizer. Let me show you what I have. This is the stabilizer that I got on Thanksgiving. So this is actually pretty famous, and I didn't want to buy the DJI or the GoPro ones. Those are too expensive, and this is like regularly priced at $140 in US. But I got this for $100. It was $40 off on the Thanksgiving specials. So I picked it up, and I'm just gonna unbox it today in the video in front of you right now, and let's see how it goes. So I'll see you in the unboxing. So I'm here with my Zhiyun Smooth Q 3-axis stabilizer. This is actually good for smartphones as well as the GoPro action camera, as it states here. It's a handheld camera, and I got this in the black color because I love the black color. And as you can see on the description, it says weight like almost 1 lb, 1 pound. So I think it's not too heavy. And let's see what it got. Pretty much everything: the logo, the labels, serial number. Let's start with that. The wrapped case, it's a hard case for your gimbal. A gimbal is actually inside it. Comes with an instruction manual that you should definitely read, because for me, like right now, I don't know how to operate it. I've never operated one before. I'm gonna read it, and let's see what it got. So the box contains a strap. Okay, so that's for your case. I believe just to strap the case around your neck or something. And the box also has a USB cable, and that's to charge your gimbal. And let's see how the gimbal looks inside. The box is pretty nice, pretty sturdy. I guess it will definitely protect your gimbal. And here is my Smooth Q, dark black, and it is really nice. So that's the Zhiyun Smooth Q 3-axis stabilizer. It has a power button and the joystick for you to control it. And here's the charging port that, you know, this charging cable can actually charge the gimbal for you. The battery lasts up to 12 hours as it states on the box. I haven't used it yet, so cannot comment on that right now, but I'll definitely create another video for the product review and how it actually operates. Let's keep the box aside. And here we have the monopod or the tripod port. You can actually mount a gimbal like that on a monopod or a tripod. Gives you more stability. And I see there is one USB charging port also. It is actually to charge your phone, because you might run out of battery when your phone is actually on the gimbal itself. So you can just plug this cable in the port itself, and the other end to your phone, mount it on the gimbal, and it can definitely act as a battery bank. So that's the gimbal for you, and let's try to mount a couple of phones that I have with me right now. Here is my Samsung S8 Plus. It's a pretty big phone, as you can see, and I believe the gimbal is actually capable of mounting a screen size of up to 6 inch. So let's see how this one goes inside. I'm gonna expand the case, and bear with me because I'm just operating this gimbal for the first time. I haven't used it once. So let's try to push it up till the end, and it is mounted. It's not powered on, so that's why it's not working right now, but as you can see, I've been able to mount my camera, mount my smartphone, the Samsung S8 Plus, which is the bigger one, into the gimbal very easily. So let's try with the iPhone 7 Plus that I have. And here's the iPhone 7 Plus. It's also a pretty big phone. Let's see how it does. Oh, it fits very easily. Just slide it to the end, to the rear end. And as you can see, I have been able to mount it very easily onto the gimbal. And now I do have a GoPro. Let's try with my GoPro. Okay, and I'm here with my GoPro. It's a Hero 4. And yeah, like a quick word, the box actually says this model is compatible with Hero 3, 4 and 5. I don't know. I don't believe the GoPro Hero 6 was launched before this box was created. So that's why it can be the reason. So let's try to mount my GoPro. Of course it's not gonna be mounted like that because the camera is on the other side. So let's try mounting like this. So as you can see, it's not gonna be mounted this way because the GoPro is actually smaller from the case. Let's try to flip it other side. And yes, I can mount my GoPro in the gimbal. Oops, it has actually started. So as you can see, mounting your GoPro and smartphones into this gimbal is rather very easy. So gimbal is actually pretty sturdy, pretty smooth. It has a couple of dial buttons over there. This one is for balancing your weight, balancing your camera. Just to make sure that the camera, your phone and your GoPro are on the same axis. This one is actually to flip it vertically or horizontally. It gives you ability to do that. Yeah, so this is pretty much it from this video. I'll be back in my next video, which is gonna be the review of this Zhiyun Smooth Q 3-axis stabilizer and how well it works for me, what I like about this gimbal, and what I don't like about this gimbal. I'm not gonna turn on this gimbal in this video because I have to charge. I don't know how long it's gonna take to charge, but yeah, just wait for my next video on the review of this gimbal. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.